Hello, today we will guide you through how to change ringtone in Google Meet. To get started, open Google Meet in your browser. If you are not already there, you can search for Google Meet and open the official Google Meet page from the results. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed into your Google account so all meeting settings are available to you. After you reach the Google Meet home screen, look for the New Meeting button. Click on it to begin. This opens the options for starting or joining a meeting space where you can access the settings you need. For this tutorial, the exact meeting option is not especially important, so you can choose Instant Meeting or use any meeting option that brings you into the meeting interface. Once you are inside the meeting screen, direct your attention to the bottom center toolbar. This is where Google Meet keeps many of its call controls. Look for the 3 vertical dots, which open the More Options menu. Click those dots to reveal additional settings and tools that are not shown on the main toolbar. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Meeting Settings panel, where several categories are listed. These categories control different parts of the meeting experience, so if you do not immediately see the option you expect, that is normal. Next, click on Reactions. The name can be a little misleading here, so do not let that throw you off. Even though it sounds like it only relates to emojis or in-meeting responses, this is the section you need to open for this change. Inside the Reaction section, look for the toggle shown on screen and click it to enable the feature. Turning this on is the final step in the process. Once enabled, the ringtone-related options shown in this area will be activated according to your meeting settings. If you do not notice the change right away, it can help to close the settings panel and review the option once more to make sure the toggle is turned on. Also, keep in mind that Google Meet occasionally updates its layout, so some buttons may appear slightly different depending on your browser or account version, but the general path remains the same. And that's it. You have now gone through the process for changing the ringtone setting in Google Meet by entering a meeting, opening the More Options menu, going into Settings, selecting Reactions, and enabling the available toggle.